In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity tasks to automate your routine research, stay productive, and save valuable time. To get started, visit the official Perplexity website or open the Comet browser. To access the Tasks feature, click on your profile icon and you'll see Tasks. Simply click on it. You'll be prompted to enter what you want to automate. You can type your prompt directly or click the plus icon at the top. After clicking it, you'll see the option to schedule. Click on it and you'll be tasked to enter instructions for what you want to schedule. I have a prompt that says, summarize all the key AI updates for the day in bullet points. This is the task I want to automate. Next, select the schedule frequency for this task. You have multiple options: once, daily, weekly, every weekday, monthly, or yearly. I'll select daily. Then choose the specific time you want the task to run. I'll select 8 p.m. You can also set an expiration date for this task using the calendar. I'll select November 30th. Below that, you'll find notification platform options to determine where you'll receive alerts after the automation runs. If you select In-App, you'll see a notification icon within Perplexity when you open it. If you select Email, you'll receive an email in your inbox prompting you to open Perplexity to view the full response. If you select Mobile and have the Perplexity app installed, you'll receive a push notification on your phone. You can choose any combination of these notification platforms. Under More Options, you can select the mode: Simple Search, Deep Research for more thorough analysis, or Lab mode for study purposes. I'll keep it set to default. You can also choose from different AI models. I'll keep it set to the best model. For sources, the default is all, but you can also select academic, social, or finance. Once everything is configured, click Save. As you can see, your task has been created. Under the Scheduled section, you'll be able to view it. If you wish to disable or delete the task, simply open it. You can pause it and reactivate it whenever you want. There's also a delete option available. Let me show you some recent tasks that Perplexity has performed. If I go to Notifications, you can see alerts regarding completed tasks. Clicking on one takes you directly to the AI's response. As you can see, it has perfectly completed the job by providing all the latest AI updates in bullet format. Even if you can't find a particular response through notifications, it automatically appears in your history. Just click the home icon and you'll see all the automation results available for easy access. There's another useful feature worth mentioning. If you've given a certain prompt to Perplexity, for example, the long-lasting laptop batteries search, and want to create a recurring task for that prompt, simply click the three dots at the top and select Create a Task. A task will be created using that prompt, and you can adjust all your preferences before saving it. In addition to creating tasks, there's another option available. If you click the plus icon, you'll also see Stock Alerts. As you can see, I've already created 2 stock alerts. To set one up, click on Price Alert and configure your stock alert. I've created a detailed video explaining this process, so if you want to watch it, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.